Hey there YouTube, AJ here. Real short update for all of you who have subscribed to see my updates on my hot rod and motorcycle project. Please don't unsubscribe. I will be getting back to those projects shortly and get some videos uploaded. My welder, I started to work on the projects and my welder, turns out the switch on my welder was broke and I had to wait for a part to come in. That part came in today. I got a new switch for my welder, so I'll be able to start welding and working on my projects. In the meantime, I'm going to share something with you that is hot rod related. This jacket was my uncle's car club jacket from, I'm guessing, the late 60s, early 50s to late 60s era. I don't know all the details. Sadly, my uncle passed away this past year and my aunt wanted me to have his car club jacket. This thing is so super cool. It's all hand embroidered on the back. It's the Cruisers Car Club in Columbus, Ohio. If anyone out there knows anything about this car club, please contact me. I would love to find out more information, try to get some pictures, etc. The front side of the jacket, it has my Uncle Ed's name embroidered here, and then the Ford patch. Apparently my Uncle Ed was a Ford guy too. Anyway, the stitching on this is just incredible. It's just something I will treasure forever. Inside, I also have a little my own. When I was a kid, my dad would take me to car shows. We had a 64 Bonneville convertible that we worked on together, but we would go to car shows, and at one of the car shows, at one of my favorite places to go in Columbus, Ohio was Jerry's Drive-In. And obviously this t-shirt doesn't fit me anymore. I won this in some contest at the car show, but I still have my old Jerry's Drive-In t-shirt, and I put that with my uncle's car club jacket to remind me of my, my car club, my car connection in Ohio. Anyway, again, Columbus, Ohio, Cruisers Car Club, 50s to 60s range. If anybody out there has any information on this car club, I would love to know more. But I am just honored to be the caretaker of this treasure. It is a personal connection to me, to my uncle, to cars, to my car connections in Columbus, Ohio. Yeah, this is just something I will treasure always. That's it for today, just a really quick one. I just wanted to let everyone know that my hot rod and motorcycle projects are still going on. I've been collecting parts while I waited for this switch for my welder. So now I can get back to learning how to weld again and get going on my projects. So please don't unsubscribe. Talk to you later, YouTube.